We are starting chapter 8, small business and enterprises. The importance of small businesses and enterprises in India is very significant. Uh, Considering the population, the large geographical area, uh, the divide between the urban population and the rural population, small scale industries contribute a lot towards providing employment, uh, producing goods depending upon the requirement of the population. They even help in observing the entrepreneurship skills. They use the local raw materials and the indigenous skills. So we can say that small scale industries contribute significantly to the development process and act as a vital link in the industrialization in terms of production, employment, and export of economic prosperity. Okay, they even use the local raw materials and indigenous technologies and skills. Okay, now in India, the village and small scale sectors consist of both traditional as well as modern small industries, and it is divided into various subgroups like handloom, handicraft, coir, sericulture, khadi, village industries, small scale industries, and power looms. The government have from time to time enacted various acts, and in those acts they have included various definitions, and depending upon the requirements they have brought the necessary changes in the definitions also. Okay, now type of small business. Now various parameters are used to measure the size of the business unit, and those parameters can be number of persons employed in the business, capital invested in the business, volume of output or the value of output of business, and power consumed for business activities. I am repeating the parameters: number of persons working in the business, capital invested in the business, volume of output or the value of output, and most important, power consumed by the business activities. The definition used by government of India to describe small scale industries is based on investments. Okay, under the micro, small and medium enterprises act, government is using the amount of investment to define the industries, small scale industries, which they are investing in plant and machinery. See, the definition is given under MSMED Act, that is Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. Okay, it explains or it deals with the definition of these enterprises, credit, marketing, technology upgradation. Okay, medium scale enterprises and services related to enterprises has come under the preview of this act. Okay, with effect from October 2006. And this line is important. According to this, the enterprises are divided into two main categories, that is manufacturing and services. As India is a major hub for providing services, IT services and other services to the world. So we will be discussing today the definitions of enterprises coming under manufacturing sector. Okay, now under manufacturing, again there are three types of enterprises. First one, micro enterprises, then second one is small enterprises, third one medium enterprises. Okay, in micro enterprises the amount should not exceed 25 lakh rupees in plant and machinery. Okay, micro enterprises, the amount should not exceed 25 lakh rupees. In small enterprises, it is from 25 lakh rupees and it should not exceed 5 crore rupees. Okay, 25 lakh to 5 crore rupees. If it is invested in plant and machinery, it will be considered as small enterprise. Then medium enterprises where more than 5 crore rupees is invested in plant and machinery, but it is not exceeding 10 crore rupees. So 5 to 10 crore rupees, if it is invested in plant and machinery, then that enterprise will be considered as medium enterprise.